My name is Colby with WTI, and today I'm going to tell you about something that will help you improve the quality of your audio. This lapel microphone from PoP Voice. This microphone takes the challenge of audio and makes it simple. By having the microphone close to your mouth like this, you instantly improve the quality of your audio. No more trying to get a microphone off camera and in weird angles. It's right there and easy to use to really improve the quality. Another thing that I like about this microphone is that it's so compact. This nice carrying case helps you to bring it along with you wherever you're going. You can use it on the go with a vlog, an interview video, anything that you want. It will help you out. Another feature that I really enjoy is the long cord. This lets you be able to even get far away from your camera without any difficulties. Another thing that helps is that it comes with an adapter. So you can use this with your cell phone, you can use this with your DSLR camera, a field recorder, anything that you need, you can get good quality audio using this microphone. The PoP Voice lapel microphone is something that I can't recommend enough. It's an easy way that you can improve the quality of your products, whether that be a video or a podcast. That's my point of view.